Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is SYBEL Explains. This video is all about visualizing division of fractions for whole number divided by a fraction. We have a problem here. Mom Shane has 2 big bars of chocolates. She plans to share 1/5 of the chocolate bars each to every student she has in her class for doing good in the mathematics quiz. How many students will be able to get 1/5 of the chocolate bars? This problem can easily be understood if we will draw a model so that our students can see and visualize how to do division of fractions. I already drew 2 chocolate bars here, and let's just divide each bar to 5 equal parts because one part of it is equivalent to 1/5 of the chocolate bar. Now let's count the number of 1/5 we can find in each bar. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That makes 10 students. It means there are 10 students who will receive 1/5 of the chocolate bars. And that's it. Now let's have 4 divided by 1/3. I already drew 4 circles here. Let's divide it into 3 equal parts because one part of it is symbolizing 1/3. Through this activity, students can really see and visualize how do we do division of fraction. So all we need to do is to count the number of thirds in our whole, and we have 12 1/3 in 4 circles or 4 wholes. Let's have another one. That's 3 divided by 1/4. So we'll just have to draw 3 boxes, and then we will divide it into 4 equal parts because we have 1/4 there. One part of it symbolizes 1/4. It is time for us to count the number of 1/4 we can find in 3 holes, and there are a total of 12 1/4 in 3 holes. So if you're going to take a look at it, it's very easy. We're done. Don't forget to hit the like button if you think this is helpful. Till next time!